Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter number 6, progressions. So progression means a pattern. Progression means pattern. What is meant by pattern? The succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. So when you are adding a fixed term to the preceding terms, it can be called as a pattern. Let's see some patterns here. So the difference is plus 1. The difference is plus 2. The difference is plus 4. The difference is plus 2. The difference is plus 10. The difference is plus 2. Here we can write 1 by 4 power 1. We can write 1 by 4 square. We can write 1 by 4 cube. We can write 1 by 4 power 4 and so on. So we can write 3 as 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0. So in example 1, 2, 3, so 2 and 3 are patterns, whereas example 1 is not pattern. We are adding a fixed number to the given examples. Next, term. Term means each of the numbers in the list. Now come to the definition of arithmetic progression. An AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. This fixed term or fixed number is called common difference of the AP. So the next topic is general term of an AP. Then the first term is A, second term is A plus D, where D is the common difference we are adding. So we can write that A plus D, which is the second term. Now writing a third term. We'll get A plus 2D. Like this, A plus 3D and so on. And the last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So we are a second term. Second term means 1 less than the given term. Third term is we have 1 less than the third term. So if n terms is there, we write n minus 1 terms. So let's see one example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So where we are finding common difference. Common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. We'll get 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So the real life applications are savings in a bank for a period of time. For example, if you deposit 5,000 rupees and its interest is 200. So at the end of the first year we will get sum is 5,200. In the second year 5,200 plus 200 will get 5,400. So the difference is 200. Like this it goes on. Heights of an average students in a queue in the morning assembly. So based on the students' height, we are arranging a queue for the students in the morning assembly. So types of AP, arithmetic problem. First one is finite AP. If the number of terms of an AP is finite, finite means countable, then it is a finite AP. Example, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. We can count the number of numbers in the AP. The next model is infinite AP. If the number of terms of an AP is infinite, then it is an infinite. Infinite means not countable. So let's see an example. 4, 8, 12. We know the next term 20. We know the next term 24, and so on. It goes on. We don't know the last term of a given progression. So nth term of AP can be written as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Let's see one example. 10th term of 10, 6, 2 minus 2 is how much? So here a is first term 10. Common difference a2 minus a1 is equal to 6 minus 10. We get minus 4. So a10 10 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 will get a10 is equal to minus 26. And the next model is sum of first n terms of AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. We can use this formula when we know the first term and the last term of given AP. Here one example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on 80, where 80 is the last term, where a is the first term. So 80 by 2, it cancels 40 times. 40 into 81 will get 3240. The next model is sum of first n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So here we know the first term only. We doesn't know the last term. So when don't know the last term, we use the second formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So find the sum of NIP 2, 7, 12 to and so on. N is equal to 10. A1 A is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 7, common difference is equal to 5. Now substituting the values, Sn is equal to like this. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2, where 2 A is equal to 2 into 2, N is equal to 10, 5. So 2 cancels 10 5 times. 2 into 2 4, 10 minus 1 9. We'll get 5 into 49. 5 49s 245. So let's see some problems. Check whether 301 is the term of a list of numbers. So given numbers are 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on. So the given series is like this. An is equal to 301, a is equal to 5, a2 is equal to 11. We are finding common difference is equal to 6. Now substituting the values in the nth term of an AP. So 301 plus 5, 301 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 6. So 301 is equal to 5 plus 6 into n, 6n, 6 into 1 minus 1 minus 6. So minus 6 minus 5 will get minus 1. So 301 is equal to 6n minus 1. Sending minus 1 to left hand side, we'll get 302 by 6. So 2 cancels 151 times, and 6 cancels 2 3 times, where n is 151 by n, which can be a decimal number, but n should be a positive integer. So 301 is not a number or a term of a given list of number. We can see this type of question in 6.2 sixth question. Each term of a AP, the given series is 70. We need to find the 78 is the which term. So A, A2, A3, A4 and so on, AN question mark. So D is equal to 5, AN is equal to 78. We are substituting in the nth term of AP. 78 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. So 3 plus 5 into n, 5n, 5 into 1 minus 5. So minus 5 plus 3 will get minus 2. So 78 is equal to 5n minus 2. 78 plus 2 is equal to 5n. 80 by 5. 5 cancels 16 times. So where n is 16. Therefore 78 is the 16th term of a given AP. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? The list of 2-digit numbers divisible by 3 are, 2-digit numbers means it starts with 10 to 99. So first number, 3 multiples are 3, 6, 9, 12. Where 3, 6, 9 are 1-digit number and 12 is the 2-digit number. So we can write 12 and the last digit 99. So an is equal to 99, a is equal to 12, a2 is equal to 15. Now calculating common difference is equal to 3. Now calculating the an, 99 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. 3 into n, 3n minus 3. So 12 minus 3 will get 9. So 99 plus 99 is equal to 9 plus 3n. So sending plus 9 to left hand side, we get 90 by 3. So 3 cancels 30 times. So where n is 30. So we can see the same type of problem in 6.2 11th one. So which can be divisible by 7. Here we have 3-digit number. 3-digit number divisible by 7. So there are 32-digit numbers divisible by 3. The next question is, how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 to 250? So 4 multiples lies between 250, 10 to 250 are like this. Here when you are writing 4 multiples, 4, 8, 12 and so on. So 12 comes after 10. So we can write the first value 12. When you divide, so when 250 is divisible by 4, 4 into 62 will get to 248. So it gets 2 as remainder. So the last term is 248. So where an is 248, a is equal to 12, a2 is equal to 16 and the common difference is 4. Now substituting the nth term of AP. 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. 4 into n, 4n, 4 into 1 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 will get plus 8. So 248 is equal to 8 plus 4n. So sending plus 1 to plus 8 to left hand side will get 240 by 4. So 4 cancels 60 times, where n is 60. Therefore 60 numbers lies between 10 and 250, which are divisible by 4. The next question, in an AP, A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3 given. Find A and S12. So A12 is equal to, you can write A plus 11, D is equal to 37. So we have value of D. Now substituting here, A plus 33 is equal to 37. A is equal to 33. 37 minus 33 will get first term value 4. Now substituting in Sn. Sn, we know the first value and we know the last value. So I am taking the first formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus A. So S12 is equal to 12 by 12, 4 plus 37. So this cancels 6 times. So S12 is equal to 6 into 41. S12 is equal to 246. The next question is A3 is equal to 15. S10 is equal to 125. Find the D and A10. So A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 15. Where A is equal to 15 minus 2D, which is equation 1. S10 is equal to 125. We know the first value and the last value. So here substituting, Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L, where L is A plus 90. So 125 is equal to 10 by 2 A plus 90. A plus A 2A, 2A plus 90. So substituting A is equal to 15 minus 2D, will get 25. 2 into 15 30, 2 into 2D 40 plus 90. So 9D minus 4D will get 5D. So 25 is equal to 30 plus 5D. So sending 30 to left hand side, 25 minus 30 will get minus 5 is equal to 5D. 5 table cancels 1 time, where D is equal to 1. Put D is equal to minus 1 in equation 1, will get A is equal to 15 minus 2D. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus, 15 plus 2 17. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. After substituting, 10 minus 1 will get 9. 17 plus minus 9. So we will get A10 is equal to 8. In the next question, given that A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. So we need to find n and An. So given values are A1 is equal to A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Sn is equal to, I am using second formula. So we know only first value, we don't know the last value. We know the sum of n numbers only. It's not a last term, sum of all the numbers. So I am using second formula. Sn is equal to 90, n by 2, substituting 2, I am substituting 8. So 2 into 90, 118, n into 4, 4n, n into 8n, 8n square, n into 8, 8n. So minus 8n plus 4n will get minus 4n. So we have 180 is equal to 8n square minus 4n. So 8n square minus 4n minus 180. So when you are cancelling 4 table 2 times, 1 time, 45 times. So the equation reduces as 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. So when you are factorizing, 2n square into 45 will get minus 90n square. So we can write minus 10n plus 9n. So minus 10n plus 9n will get minus n, which is the middle term. So we can write like this: 2n square minus 10n 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. So 2n square can be written as 2n into n. 10n can be written as 5 into 2n. 9n can be written as 9 into n. So 45, 9 into 5. So we can take common 2n. The remaining terms is n minus 5. We can take common as 9. 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. So the common term n minus 5 and the remaining terms. So 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. We will get n is equal to 9 minus 9 by 2. n minus 5 is equal to 0 where n is 0. So n cannot be negative. So we can discard n is equal to minus 9 by 2. We can take n is equal to 5 only. So an, we get the n as 5. I am substituting here. a5 is equal to a plus 4b. So we have d is equal to 8, a is equal to 2. So 2 plus 32. 2 plus 32 is equal to 34. So children, this is for today's, and hope you enjoy the today's session. If you have doubts any, you can message me to my WhatsApp number 9063254901, or if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Naveen's Classroom, and share it to your friends, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Have a nice day.